you heard my songs.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video and I'm so sorry, but I've been really busy with university and exams, but luckily I am here today and I have finished all my exams for the year, so I'm really free now and I can make more videos for you guys. So to start again, I've decided to recreate or attempt to recreate this makeup look inspired from the gorgeous Lipa, and I really like the contrast between, you know, the cold toned lips and the glowy and bronzy eyes and skin. If you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. I think that I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. So Jua has naturally thick eyebrows. Mine are not that thick. So I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Yves Rocher and it's in the shade Brown. It's the number 3. I like to go with light strokes, not with a heavy hand, because I don't like my eyebrows to be too precise or too dark. So I like to start light, and then if I want more definition I will go ahead and go heavier. And then I like to go back with the spoolie brush and just brush upwards, downwards, make them a little bit messy. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other eyebrow. So I did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to set them with this mascara for eyebrows. It's from Kiko and it's Eyebrow Fibers colored mascara. It's number 05. I'm going to start off with the eyes as I said before, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Essence primer. It's this one. 2 weeks ago was my birthday and I received the soft glam from Anastasia, and I'm just really happy and truly blessed to have friends that really know what I like. So shout out to all my friends of university, love you. So I'm going to start off with a fluffy brush, this one, and I'm going to use orange soda and I'm going to buff it on my eyelid like so, like a little bit on the crease but also on the lid. I have like a base to work on. I'm going to take the color a little bit here. So I'm going to use now this thick eyeshadow from Yves Rocher and it's in the shade 03 Bronze. I'm going to apply on the eyelid. Then I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush like this one and I'm going to blend the color a little bit upwards. I'm going to use also the Betty Luminizer from the Balm, and the color is really similar to this one, but it's powder. So I'm going to take a little bit with the brush. As you can see, it's a little bit goldier and the stick is more bronzy. So I'm going to apply it and blend. Always from the Soft Glam, I'm going to use this shade that is called Rustic. It's a medium brown. I'm going to take this angled eye brush and just lightly going to the crease to create a little bit of more depth and dimension. I will take this brush and blend more. Trying also to elongate the eye, you know, going like so. Because after we're going to clean up the area with concealer foundations. I'm going to take Tempera and I'm going to use it lightly under the eyebrow, like so. and a little bit into the inner corner. Now for the fun part, we are going to do eyeliner. I'm going to use the Epic Ink liner from NYX. Picture she has a thin wing going on, and also it's not that thick, the eyeliner in the inner part. I think that I'm going to stop right here with the eyeliner. Like, no making too thick on the eyelid, neither on the outer parts. So like this. A trick is also to use the eyeliner into your waterline where the roots are. Then I'm going to use the from Yves Rocher. This one is the waterproof eye pencil in black. I always do this trick because makes your eyelashes look fuller, because it helps to define more your eye shape. So now I'm going to do the other eye, and then we're going to finish off the eyes with mascara and other eyeshadows and the face, and I'll be right back. So I did also the other eye, as you can see. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm sorry for my under eyes, it seems like I've been homesick for days. So I'm going to use this foundation that is pretty light. It's always from Yves Rocher, and it's the Pure Light Nude The Tint Hydratant. It's a moisturizing nude foundation without alcohol. So I'm going to blend the foundation with kabuki kind of brush. I don't like to wear foundation usually, especially during summertime. But for, you know, when you have some kind of event or party, or, you know, sometimes when you want to look more put together. And I like the texture of this one because it's pretty light on the skin. It's not too thick, it's not heavy, and matches with your skin pretty well, so I like it. Now we're going to use concealer. This one, it's my all-time favorite concealer ever. It's from L'Oreal, and it's the Perfect Match Acro Parfait concealer. It's this one, it's in the shade 3N. My ring finger, because it's the lightest one, it's the most gentle on the skin. And I'm going also to take a little bit here to clean the edges of the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do a light baking under my eye, and I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and it's in the shade Transparent. I'm going to take like a sponge and just press the powder right here. Then I'm going to use a little bit on my T-zone, on my nose, around my mouth, and also here and here. What I'm going to do now, it's a light contour. I'm going to use this stick from Yves Rocher, and it's in the shade Brune Matte. I'm going to do like a few dots here, then around my forehead, a little bit down here, and then a little bit here. I'm going to take the same brush that I used for foundation before, and I'm going to lightly starting blend the contour. Now for set the cream part, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit in the same areas where I put the cream color, the cream contour, to look a little bit more you know, kissed by the sun, I'm going to use this Color Star, that it's a bronzing powder in the shade 4.4 Hawaii Matte. To finish the eyes, I'm going to use the same stick into my waterline right here. I'm going to take pen brush like this one, and I'm going to take burnt orange, that it's this shade, and try to connect the under eye with the upper part, like so. Now for mascara, I'm going to use a mix of this one from L'Oreal, and it's the Faux-Cils Superstar, the one that has the two sides, and then I'm going to use the Maybelline Faux-Cils Push-Up Angel. From this one, I'm going to use the white part, which is the primer. And then I'm going with the Maybelline one and coat my lashes. In the picture, she has some individual lashes going on. And also, Francesca Brazzo uses a lot of mascara. You know, she has always spidery lashes. Now I'm going to use highlighter. For my birthday, I bought the Becca highlighter, but it's the mini size because I bought this mini kit from Sephora, and it's the Opal. So here, and I'm going to use it also into my inner corner. Now for the lips, she has on the picture pretty like nudish mauvey pink lips, so I'm going to do a mix of a lot of things. I'm going to first using lip pencil, and this one it's from Marc Jacobs, and it's in the shade Cream Rosé. Then I'm going to use this lipstick from Sephora, and the shade I think is Brownies Back, but I don't know, it's number 04. It's a cold tone actually. I like the contrast of having like not that warm lips, but with the everything else that it's really warm actually, like the eyes and the skin that is super duper glowy. Really like the contrast of it. That's the video for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can find the button like right here somewhere. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget also to click the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. I promise I will be more consistent, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!